On this video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious plate of spaghetti in about 10 minutes using a microwave pasta cooker, and this will completely eliminate this hassle from your life. Well, I'll be using this awesome microwave pasta cooker to cook the spaghetti, which, by the way, cooks any kind of pasta. I use it to make pasta salad. And since my grandkids have been banned from using the stovetop, they use it to make mac and cheese. Now stick around because later in this video, I will share 2 tips about how to use this microwave pasta cooker that will save you a lot of aggravation. Well, I have evaluated other microwave pasta cookers, and this one is definitely heavier. The sturdiness of it indicates to me that it will last a long time. And I love the fact that it's dishwasher safe. It comes with a measuring card and a timing chart, so you'll always get perfect results. More about that coming up. I'll be making 2 servings of angel hair pasta, so I'll start by measuring the spaghetti using the card. Then I'll pour in just the right amount of water, also using the measuring card. The card actually clips onto the cooker to hold it steady while you pour in just the right amount of water. Now I will put this in the microwave. Notice I'm not using the lid. The lid is not used when cooking pasta. My microwave is 1000 watts, so I'll be setting the timer for 9 minutes. It's been 9 minutes. Let's check the spaghetti. And as you can see, it did not boil over. Now here's tip number 1. When you take the cooker out of the microwave, always put the lid on with the straining holes facing away from you. This reduces the possibility that hot water will splash on you when you take it out. Hold the lid firmly as you pour out the water in the sink. Now here's tip number 2. The timing chart that comes with this cooker is essential. If you lose it, you'll have to guess how much water and time you need for different types of pasta. To avoid that, tape it to the inside of a cabinet door where you can always find it. Now, if you found this video helpful, please smash the like button so more people will have a chance to see it. Thanks for watching.